Our story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, blind spot monitor, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.